Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your audio devices name, input devices and your output devices. Output devices means guys your speaker, headphones, earphones. Your input devices means your microphone. Okay, if you want to rename this on your Windows 11, so you can easily able to do this without using any extra third-party tool, app or any extra hard work. So let's get started. Just open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard like this. In the Windows settings, in the left panel here you can get the option system, just click on it, and in the right panel here you can get the option sound. Okay, just click and open it. Here you can get your output devices, and scroll down slightly, here you can get your input devices. If you want to change your speaker headphones name, means your output devices, so just double click and open it like this, and here you can get the option rename. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to rename this. Okay, same thing you need to follow on your input devices. If you want to change your microphone name, if you want to rename this, just click on and rename it. Okay, so this is the way to change your sound devices output and input on your Windows 11. So that's what it guys, is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.